The government has relaxed 4 sets of COVID rules starting today. Most noticeably, contacts of COVID patients are no longer required to isolate.
And COVID patients can end their self-health management period as soon as they test negative in a rapid test. Temperature checks in public spaces are now a thing of the past, as well as vaccine requirements at certain events and venues.
During COVID, temperature checks were a must at train stations. Now they are a thing of the past as the CECC loosens COVID measures. With COVID becoming a milder disease, the CECC has removed mandatory isolation periods for contacts of COVID patients. Patients themselves must still isolate for 7 days. After isolation is up, they can go out freely, but must not have meals with others or take public transportation until they test negative in a rapid test. Isolation is set to be further reduced to 5 days starting next Monday. Also today, venues and events that previously required proof of 3 COVID shots, such as gyms and religious events, will no longer require it. Temperature checks in public spaces are no longer compulsory.
Removing the temperature checks reduces the time it takes to get to work and hop on a train.
The gradual easing of isolation rules has left people wondering when the mask mandate will be lifted.
Cases of respiratory syncytial virus are on the rise, and there's also the seasonal flu. Face masks aren't just for COVID. All these respiratory diseases become more common at this time of the year, so masks could mitigate that somewhat.
The CECC recently stated it could discuss the easing of mask rules in November if COVID numbers continue going down. How measures will be relaxed has yet to be discussed by a panel of experts.
The mask mandate will be one of the last priorities. If we go straight to not wearing masks, that could cause COVID numbers to bounce back over the autumn and winter seasons. We could even see a new peak.
As temperatures get colder, people spend more time indoors. Experts say that a gradual approach to lifting the mask mandate is the way to go.